Um, Hi everyone. Hi. Got my little sister. Look at her. She does a little dance. Okay, do your dance. Do your dance. She thinks Easter's every day. To the camera. Do you know how much that was? Oops. Accidents happen. Come here. No! Oh, she almost started singing again. Bob. Look. Here's another chicken. And another chicken. And another chicken. And another chicken. It's broken, see? Its leg's broken. It's like, it's not supposed to move. Good chicken. Good. Oh. And one more chicken. Oh, actually 2 more chickens. Actually 3. Here's a chicken. Here's a chicken, but it's like inflated. Here's a chicken. Oh yeah, do your dance. Oh yeah. Oh. Fly chicken. That black chicken was named Booster because I have a chicken and his name's Booster. And so I'll see you guys later. Say bye. 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 As you can tell, chickens are my favorite animal. Okay, so talk to you guys later. Bye.